Can you say owl?
Owl.
Yeah. Look at Mama. Can you say Eli? You're making horsey sounds at the same time. Should we wait till you're done with the puzzle? Can you say Ben? What about shoe? Yeah. What about sorry? Yeah. What about Lanny? Yeah. What about Gideon? What else can you say?
Can you say balloon? Balloon.
How about eye? Oh, where's your eye? Up there. What about your nose? Where's your mouth? Yeah, you know that one. And Daddy too. Where's your sock?
Where's your socks?
Do you have a sock? Can you say sock? What about button? Or belly?
Where's your belly? I can see it. I can see your belly. I can see it.
Oh, hey Isla. Can you say Isla? Say Eli again. Eli and Isla. Okay, see you later.
Say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.